Yan, so welcome for our today's lesson, no? So we will be discussing one of the advanced topics, no, under calculus. Actually sa ibang bansa this is under calculus 3, I think, no? So multiple integration, no? So when you say multiple integration or multiple integrals, no, these are integrals involving two or more integration operation, no? So katulad dito sa ating definition, no, we have the integral from a to b of the integral from c to d of function xy of dy dx, no? So dalawa yung integrals involved. And paano ba natin to sinosolve? So lagi tayo nag-i-start from the innermost function going outside. So one integral at a time. Hindi natin to sinasabay-sabay. Okay? So kung titingnan natin, ito meron tayong grouping na ginagawa, no, for in this case, yung kulay green muna, no, yung integral from c to d of f of xy dy, no? So yun muna. Then kapag na-evaluate na natin, tsaka natin kukunin yung integral from a to b ng dx naman. Okay? So multiple integration is usually applied in getting uh, in geometric applications ng integrals, no? So katulad nung single integral natin, as we all know, area. Then kapag meron tayong double integral, no? So that is the volume of a three-dimensional figure. And more than 3 and more pala for example, triple integral, that is the hypervolume of a four-dimensional figure, no? So usually yan. And there's still lots of other applications, just like sa work, no, sa energy work tuloy, energy, no, I think energy is double integral, no. Let me check into that, and gamitin natin yon in other in other applications, continuation na itong multiple integration natin. Okay, so paano nga ba sinasagutan ang isang multiple integral, no? So same method lang to with the regular integrals natin, no? So medyo tedious lang siya in the sense na umuulit yung integral natin, no? Pero masasanay din kayo. Now, for example, find the volume of the figure generated by f of xy is equal to 1 plus 4xy bounded by x is greater than or equal to 0 but is less than or equal to 1, and 1 is greater than or equal to y but is less than or equal to 3, no? So let's say this is xyz, no? xyz. Ayan. So this is a three-dimensional plane. So volume, double integral tayo. So let's say, no, kunwari ito yung aking 3D figure. Ayan. No? So kunwari, no, ayan yung volume na pinapahanap sa atin. So lagi 'yon, no, kapag ka multiple integral tapos finite yung ano natin, yung boundaries natin, laging ano yan, edged figure, no? Usually cube or prism. Okay? So paano natin 'to i-translate into an integral equation, no? Okay, so we have the integral, no? So actually, kayo bahala, no, kung paano niyo siya una iso-solve. It will still arrive with the same number. Pero for the sake of uniformity, lagi mauuna si dy, no? Unahin natin si dy. Okay, basta magko-conform yung boundaries doon sa ano natin, doon sa tawag dito sa variable of integration natin. For example, kung ang inner variable of integration nyo is x, dapat boundaries ni x yung nakatapat sa kanya, hindi pwedeng boundaries ng y. Now, for example, sige, gamitin ko muna dito, no, sa labas si y, sa loob si x. So from 1 to 3, integral from 0 to 1 nung function natin na 1 plus 4xy. Okay? So, since 0 to 1 is x, so dx yung mauuna ko, then dy. Okay? So, let's solve, no? So, we have the integral from 1 to 3. Yan, tapos evaluate na natin to in terms of x. Okay, so when we are dealing with multiple variable sa integral natin, we are just treating yung other variables natin as if it is a constant. No? So for example, kay x tayo nag-i-integrate, lahat ng hindi x constant. Okay, so we have x plus, since this is 4xy, so this is 4x squared y over 2, so that is 2x squared y. Diba? Ayan. So, evaluated from 0 to 1. Ayan. dy. So, sir, saan natin ipa-plug ngayon to? Dalawa yung variable. Kung saan yung nawala, no? For example, dito, si x yung nawala. So, kay x tayo maglalagay ng ating limits. So, our boundaries rather. So, we have from 1 to 3 ng 1 plus 2 times 1 squared y, no, minus 0, no, kasi 0 lang naman yan pag pinalit natin si 0 dun sa mga x natin, 'di ba, dy. Tapos simplify na lang natin. So we have the integral from 1 to 3 ng, this is 1 plus 2 times 1 squared is 2, so 2y. Ayan, dy. Yan, as simple as that. Okay? Then, tsaka tayo mag-integrate in terms of y. So, we have the dy, integral ng dy is y. Y plus y squared, kasi that is 2y squared over 2. Diba? Evaluated from 1 to 3. So, we will have 3 plus 3 squared minus 1 plus 1 squared. Diba? So, therefore, we will have 3 plus 9 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Diba? So, this is equal to 10. No? So, since we are talking about volume, no, that is cubic units. No? Unless hindi sinabi sa for example, straight straight multiple integral yung binigay. Hindi naman sinabi kung ano ba siya, volume ba siya, energy ba siya, or what. No? So, hindi na natin ilalagay pagka ganun. Pero to, since volume yung tinatanong, lalagyan natin yung unit. Ayan. So, 10 cubic units. Okay? So, that's how you do multiple integrals. Okay? So, next, number 2. Find the volume of the function 3x squared minus 3xy squared bounded by y is equal to x squared and y is equal to 2x. So, eto medyo tricky to. No? Bakit? In the sense na hindi straightforward yung boundaries. No? So, we have the function in here. Ito yung ating 3x squared minus 3 xy squared. So, this is our f of xy. Diba? Then, ito yung ating magsaserve as boundary. So, paano natin malalaman yon? First graph muna natin. So, hindi natin alam ano yung which is which, no? Hindi natin alam which is which. So, graph muna natin tong boundaries natin. Kasi, since 3 dito, patayo to. No? So, we will have, let's say, no, yung y is equal to x squared, so that 2x rather. So, medyo parang ganito siya. Nasa ano tayo xy plane, para dun sa nalilito. Oops. Then, yung ating y is equal to x squared, so, parang ano siya, parabolic, no? Oops. Medyo mahirap lang siya i-drawing. Oops. Yan. So, parang ganyan, no? So, we have y is equal to x squared. Okay, so, ang hinahanap natin dito is, let's say, no, imi-mirror ko lang yung aking, imi-mirror ko lang sa pataas siya. I'm not sure if Nakikita ba? Yan. Parang ganyan, no? So, eto, yan. Yan yung volume na kukunin natin, no? So, we need to know this boundary and this, no? Para makuha natin yung boundaries ng ating integral. Okay, so we need to equate these two equations, yung dalawang y natin. So, we have x squared is equal to 2x. So, transpose ko sa kabila si 2x. Then, factor out ko si x. Diba? So, therefore, the value of x is 0 at saka 2. No? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. So, that is our first boundary. No? So, therefore, ang nasa labas natin ay si dx. No? Tandaan nyo ha, dx yung nasa labas natin. Yan. Now, for the inner integral, no, yung nasa loob ng integral natin. Ano kaya yung boundary? Remember, since x na yung nasa labas natin, si y naman yung may iiwan sa loob. No, and we have already here the boundary of y, which is yung bounding equations natin, x squared and 2x. Sir, bakit yan ang gagamitin at bakit hindi na natin kailangan kunin yung yung nasa yung coordinates nung y dito sa dito sa points na to. Kasi kapag definite number yung nilagay natin dito, ang makukuha natin na volume is yung rectangle na kasama nung buong graph. Ayan, parang paganyan, no? The idea is like this. Yan, something like that. Halatang hindi straight yung graph ko una. No, so isang buong rectangle siya. Hindi naman isang buong rectangle yung kailangan natin, 'di ba? This part, no? Ito lang yung bounding curve at saka pag inangat natin siya. So, instead of the number limits or number boundaries, ang ilalagay ko is yung curve natin mismo. Now, ano yung mauuna? Okay, so ang mauuna dito, guys, is syempre, since this is xy. Sorry, hindi pala. Ang orientation ko pala ay dito. Y, X, then Z. Ayan. So, since ganito ang orientation ng graph natin, so that is right minus left, no? So, yung papalayo sa y minus yung papalapit sa y. So, that is 2x minus x squared. So, 2x, x squared. Tsaka natin yung ilalagay yung function sa loob. Then, dy, dx. Okay? Yan. Ganyan buuin, no? Yung ating function. Okay? So, we have, let's integrate, no? In terms of y. So, we have from 0 to 2 ng 3x squared y minus 3x squared y cube over 3. So, makakancel na yung 3 pala. Yan. So, we have xy cube, no? Ayan. Bounded from x squared to 2x. Diba? Dx. Tapos, substitute lang natin. So, we have from 0 to 2. Napalitan natin lahat ng y nung natin. So, that is 3x squared times 2x. Okay, that is 3x squared times 2x minus x times 2x cube, 2x quantity cube. Minus, no? Palitan naman natin ng x squared times x squared minus x times x squared cube dx. Tapos let's simplify. So let us simplify. So we have from 0 to 2, no? This is 6x cubed minus, so this will become 8x to the fourth Diba? Then minus, this is 3 times x to the fourth. So, minus 3x to the fourth. Then plus, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So, plus x to the 7 dx. Ayan. So, yeah. And then, pwede na natin i-integrate ulit in terms of x naman. So, let's integrate. So, we have, this will become 3 over 2. 3x to the fourth over 2. So, that is 6x to the fourth over 4. Diba? Then, we have 8x to the fifth over 5. Minus, actually, ito, pwede na natin pagsamahin to 11x, lagay ko dito, 11x to the fourth. So, we have 11x to the fifth over 5. Then, plus, x to the 8 over 8. No? Ayan. Okay? So, we have from 0 to 2. Tapos, pwede na natin i-substitute. Diba? So, we have 3 times 2 to the 4th over 2 minus 11 times 2 over raised to 5 over 5. Then plus 2 times 2 raised to 8 over 8. Minus 0, no? So, yun yung sa lower boundary natin. Okay, so therefore, our volume is equal to, that is negative 72 over 5. Diba? Then sabi nga natin, since we are talking about volume, there is no negative volume. So, kunin na natin absolute value. Our final answer is 14.4 cubic units. Ayan. Okay? So, yan. Ganun lang, no? Ganun lang mag-evaluate ng multiple integrals. Ang tricky lang naman kasi talaga dito is yung pagbuo, no? Yung pagbuo nung integral from the worded problem. Okay? So, let's go to the next example. Yan. So, we have here the integral from 2 to 3 of the integral from x to x plus 1 of y plus 3x dy dx. Okay, so game. Okay, pwede na natin to i-straight up integrate, no? So, we have from 2 to 3 ng y squared over 2 plus 3xy. Okay, integrated from 2x to x plus 1 dx. Then substitute. So we have 2 to the 2 from 2 integral from 2 to 3 ng x plus 1 quantity squared over 2 plus 3x times x plus 1. Okay, then minus, this will become 4x squared, no, over 2. So essentially that is 2x squared plus 3x times 2x. Ayan. Dx. Ayan, medyo maraming grouping, no? Ayan. So, simplify lang natin. So, we have from 2 to 3. Okay, so this will become x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over 2 plus 3x squared plus 3x. Okay, so minus, this is 2x squared, no? So minus 2x squared plus 6x squared. Ayan, dx. Okay, so cancel. So this will just be x squared, diba? Then plus 6x, so that is 7x squared. So we have integral from 2 to 3 ng 1/2 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then, plus, that will be 7x squared plus 3x. Diba? So, dx. Ayan. Then, pwede na natin ito integrate, no? Diretso. So, we have 1/2 x cubed over 3 plus x squared plus x plus this will become 7x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared over 2 evaluated from 2 to 3. No? So, correction. Ayan. This is negative. Ayan. So, therefore, since this is negative, so we will have negative 6x squared plus x squared. So, that will be negative 5x squared for this part. Ayan. Yan lang naman yung correction. So, hence, dito sa baba, this will be negative 5x squared. X cubed, rather. Okay, so therefore, our answer is negative 18. Ayan. So, ito na yung final answer. So, bakit sir, bakit walang unit yan? Hindi naman kasi sinabi sa tanong kung anong klaseng quantity to, no? Binigay lang yung integral mismo. Ayan. Okay? So, next example. So, we have the integral from 0 to 1, ang integral from 0 to 1, ang integral ng 0 to x plus y of x dz dy dx palabas. No? So, first, let's do the dz. No? So, we have from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 ng xz, no? Evaluated from 0 to x plus y. No? Ayan. dy dz. Dx. So, we have, so this will be x times x plus y. Then, minus 0. No? So, di ko na siya ilalagay. Kasi lagay natin, minus 0. dy dx. So, therefore, we have the integral from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 ng x squared plus xy dy dx. Okay, so palitan na natin to. Let's evaluate yung dy naman. So, we have from 0 to 1 ng, so this will be x squared y plus xy squared over 2 evaluated from 0 to 1. So, papalitan natin lahat ngayon ng lahat ng y, no, since we integrated in y. So, we have from 0 to 1 ng x squared plus x over 2 minus 0, no, dx. Ayan. Okay? So, last, no, palitan na natin yung, i-integrate na natin to. So, we have x cubed plus 1/4 x squared. No, kasi that will be 1/2 times 1/2. Diba? So, sorry, over 3. I forgot. Ayan. Then, evaluated from 0 to 1. So, hence, we have 1/3 plus 1/4 minus 0. No? Para dun sa buong function. So, therefore, we have 7 over 12. Okay? So, yan. Medyo mabilis lang naman, no? Basta sabi ko nga, basta kabisado nyo na yung basic integration formulas natin, wala tayong magiging problema on this. Okay? So, last example. Let's have a slightly tricky example. So, we have the integral from 0 to 3 of the integral from negative square root of 9 minus x squared to square root of 9 minus x squared ng this is x cubed plus xy squared ng dy dx. No? So, ayan. Sige, so let's evaluate no first sundin natin tong ano na to, yung sequence natin dito. So we have from 0 to 3. The integral of this in terms of y is x cube y plus xy cube over 3. Evaluated from negative square root of 9 minus x squared to square root of 9 minus x squared dx. Okay, so as you can see, no, medyo mahirap siya, lalo pag na-substitute na natin. Kasi ang lalabas dito with the equation will be from 0 to 3 ng x cubed square root ng 9 minus x squared plus x square root ng 9 minus x squared cube over 3. Which is quite ano pa, no, mahirap i-evaluate. Minus pa, hindi pa natatapos dyan. Diba? So, x cubed times negative square root ng 9 minus x squared plus x times square root na negative square root ng 9 minus x squared quantity cube all over 3. Diba? Dx. Which is daunting, no? Pag in-evaluate natin paano nyo yan i-integrate, no? Medyo mahaba. Maraming integration techniques na gagamitin. So, instead, no, using this method, pwede natin i-change yung order of integration, no? Paano ba ginagawa yon? Yung etong ano natin, eto, yung inner integral natin, 'di ba? This is in terms of y. Okay? And if going to translate this into a function, no? Y is equal to, 'di ba? Positive negative square root ng y minus x squared. Which is kapag kinuha natin yung square both sides, 'di ba? So we will arrive with y squared is equal to 9 minus x squared, which is pag tinranspose natin yung x sa kabila, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 9, which is a circle. 'Di ba? This is the general formula of a circle. With 9 be equal to r squared, 'di ba? Hence our radius is equal to 3, 'di ba? So pag dinrawing natin siya, mukha siyang itlog. Yan. Kumare perfect circle yan. Ayan. So, this upper half, no, since we are integrating in terms of y, no, eto, yung nasa taas, this is the positive square root of 9 minus x squared. Then yung sa baba naman is the negative, no? 9 minus x squared. So, instead of integrating in terms of y, let's integrate in terms of x. Now, paano ba natin malalaman yon? We need to know the boundaries of x, nung x from the boundaries in terms of y. So, paano yon? Since this is a whole circle, diba? Kapag ka x, yung kukunin na natin is the half. Ito lang, oh. Diba? Which is the radius, no, is 3. Okay? So, we can now look for the value of x, no? So, dito tayo magi-start. X is 0. Then, going to this part, no? Ano na tong part na to? So, this is 3, no? Ayan. So, this is 3. But in order for us to find the kasi dito fixed siya 3, paano yung iba? So translate lang natin this, no? Yung x squared minus x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. Translate lang natin into x, no? So therefore, the formula is y is equal to square root ng x is equal to square root ng that is 9 minus y squared, no? So we have here 9 minus y squared. Ayan. Okay, from 0 to square root of 9 minus y squared. Now, this is for the x, no? So ito na yung boundary natin. Now from 0 to ng yung function natin kanina, no, dx, no? Kasi in terms of x tayo, babalik ta rin nga natin eh, 'di ba? So, paano naman yung dy? So, using the same circle, no, yung ating circle, remember this is negative 3, this is positive 3. Ay, 'di ba? Based dun sa definition ng radius natin, 'di ba? Radius is tawag dito uniform all over across the circle. So, the boundaries, no, for y is from negative 3 to positive 3. Ayan. Ito ngayon yung gagamitin natin to evaluate the equation. Okay, or the integral. So we have ayan. Then yung ating function that is x cubed plus xy squared dx dy. Now, baliktad na. Kung kanina, dy dx, ngayon, dx dy. And this integral is just the same dun sa ating original integral. Okay, so, sige, solve natin. So, we have the integral from negative 3 to 3 ng x to the 4th over 4 plus x squared y squared over 2. No? Evaluated from 0 to square root ng 9 minus y squared. So, pag sinubstitute natin to ngayon dito sa lahat ng x, no, kung mapapansin niyo mas madali siya kasi even number yung exponent natin. Kapag even, madali natin matatanggal yung exponent. Yung radical, no, yung square root. So, we have ayan, from this is square root ng 9 minus y squared quantity squared, no? Squared pa ulit kasi to the 4th yan eh. Pinapakita ko lang dito na makakancel yung radical tsaka yung isang squared, no? Over 4 plus square root of 9 minus y squared, quantity squared, y squared over 2. Then minus 0, no? 0 na siya lahat. Ayan, dy. So, cancel to. So, may iwan is quantity o 9 minus y squared quantity squared. Then, dito cancel din ito. Ayan. Diba? So, therefore, we have, mas madali na natin siya mai-integrate. Diba? So, we have 9 minus y squared over 4 plus, lagay ako ng 2 dito para maging 4 din yung baba, no? Para maging common. 2 times 9 minus y squared, no? Over 2, all over 4 na pala, no? Dy. Then, pagsamahin ko lang sila, no? So, we have the integral from negative 3 to positive 3 ng 1/4 times. So, expand natin to. So, this will become 81 minus 18y squared plus y to the 4th plus that will be 18y squared, diba? Then minus 2y to the 4th. Ayan, 2y to the 4th yan. dy. Tapos, syempre, ay, tignan natin, may makakancel, ito. Diba? Tapos, may iwan dito is, ito cancel, then mawawala yung 2. No, y to the fourth na lang. So, therefore, we have the integral from 1/4 ng, 1/4 times, negative y to the fourth plus 81 dy. Diba? Mas madali na natin siya na-integrate. Now, we can solve this one. So, we have 1/4 times the integral from negative 3 to positive 3 ng so, hindi ko na ilalagay yung i-recta integrate ko na. So, 1/4 times negative y to the fifth over 5 plus 81y evaluated from negative 3 to positive 3. So, we have 1/4 times negative 3 to the fifth over 5 plus 81 times 3 minus, that is negative 3 to the fifth over 5 plus 81 times 5. So therefore, our answer is equal to, sige, you can pause this video and try nyo siya i-solve on your own. Ayan. So our answer is 486 over 5. No? So, it's okay to change the tawag dito, the order of integration, no? Pero see to it na magma-match yung mga pagpapalit-palitin. Hindi siya yung simpleng palit lang, no? Yung mag-switch lang, hindi siya ganon. Okay? So, you really need to check kung same, nasa ano ba sila, balance ba yung mga equations natin. Okay? So, ayan, I hope you guys learned something. That is the last topic for the calculus 2, no? Next subject is differential equations, no? So, I wish you guys all the best. So, see you. Okay? See you. Stay safe and God bless.